Have you ever had trouble getting your customers to pay on time? Well, I have. And today we're going to talk about collection letters. Letters written to notify our customers to pay. There are three stages of collection letters: reminder, appeal, and warning.
The first stage is reminder stage. It is the most gentle form of collection letters. So it is a direct approach and they use friendly messages to write a letter for a customer who intends to pay the payment, but they just need a reminder. So for this one, we use the polite messages because we believe that the mistake of the customer who not paying the payment on time is it is happen normally. So we use the polite messages to keep the relationship between our customer and the company. And so we use this stage use simple messages or a comical sticker attached to a short note or a copy of the bill to remind a receiver to pay the payment. And the example of the messages for this stage are past due, reminder, and please remit. The next one. Okay, reminder organization plan. It is divided into three parts. The first one is opening. This one we directly state the main problem, which is the unpaid payment of the customer. And the next one is the body. So it includes informing the deadline of the payment and also provide additional exceptions such as installment. Okay, the last one is closing. So this one we supposed to maintain the good relationship between our customer and the company. So we usually use the super friendly messages to maintain the relationship between them.
The appeal stage, also known as the Goldilocks. Have an indirect approach because we are trying to persuade the receiver sincerely. It is stronger than the reminder stage since the receiver did not beware of the reminder letters. Should be written positively and the customer should be convinced that the store is trying to help. The key message of the appeal stage is to persuade. And the example of the appeal stage is a subscription plan, politely and non-violent way of convincing. The appeal stage organization plan. Opening, appeal the customer pride, reviewing their past action politely, and closing with sway the receiver to take action, as you can see from the photos.
So here it comes, the warning stage, the last stage of all. Thus, further actions taken unless the debt is paid. It is written using a direct approach so that the message is clearly stated and reduces chances of misinterpretation. Here comes the organization plan. As it is written using a direct approach, the opening directly states about failed payment. It is then followed by an explanation, telling the receivers what would happen if the past due balance remains unpaid. Lastly, the closing motivates the receiver to take immediate action.